You might have heard the rumors, whispers online, in coin groups, even in everyday conversations. What if my 2009 penny is worth $1 million? It sounds unbelievable, right? A simple coin that most people toss into a drawer or a jar. Could it secretly be a fortune? Well, in today's video we're diving into the truth behind the 2009 Lincoln Bicentennial penny. Stick with me until the end, because while most of these coins are ordinary, some special ones have shocked collectors at auctions, and you'll want to know exactly what to look for. Now, let's rewind a little. The year 2009 marked a huge milestone in U.S. coin history, the 200th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. To celebrate, the U.S. Mint released 4 different reverse designs, each telling the story of Lincoln's life. The one we're looking at here is known as the Formative Years design, which shows a young Lincoln sitting on a log, book in hand, symbolizing his journey of self-education while working as a rail splitter. It's an iconic reminder that great leaders often come from humble beginnings. On the obverse, or front, you still see the classic portrait of Lincoln we all know, with the year 2009 clearly stamped. But the reverse is where the celebration happens. Billions of these were struck in Philadelphia and Denver, and special proof versions were minted in San Francisco. So, if billions were made, why the rumors of million-dollar value? Let's get into it. Here's the honest truth. A regular 2009 Lincoln penny is worth 1 cent. That's it. Even in slightly better condition, most are worth only face value. But, and here's the part collectors chase, if your coin is in uncirculated, high mint state condition or part of a proof set, it can be worth a few dollars, maybe $5 to $15. Not a fortune, but definitely more than pocket change. But where it gets really interesting is with errors and varieties. Some 2009 pennies have double die errors on Lincoln's hands, the book, or even parts of a log. These rare pieces can fetch $50, $100, even several $100s if they're in top condition. More dramatic errors, like off-center strikes or coins with large die breaks, have been known to sell for hundreds or even over $1,000 at auction. So, is the million-dollar rumor true? Sadly, no. Unlike legendary coins such as the 1943 copper penny or the 1955 double die cent, the 2009 bicentennial pennies just aren't in that league. They were minted in huge numbers, and while special errors and pristine examples can bring in impressive prices, they won't make you a millionaire. But that doesn't make them boring. These coins represent a special moment in U.S. history, celebrating Abraham Lincoln in a way no other coin ever has. And if you happen to find an error or a high-grade example, you could still walk away with a nice payday. So next time you see a 2009 penny, don't just toss it aside. Take a closer look. You never know if you're holding a small piece of history or a collector's treasure.